Alright, today I'm doing a comparison between the Ego 10 and the GO2. It's not just any ordinary comparison, I'm doing a sound comparison. A lot of people say, oh, the Ego's so loud, you can't hear anybody when you're on the field trying to talk, so that's what I'm going to do. Let you guys know, here's the difference in sound. Side by side, do ramping, all that good stuff. They are shooting the exact same speed, same paint, same hopper, same pressures, all that good stuff. So, here you go. I'm going to show you the actual sound difference between these two guns. Try and make it so that you can see both, so here we go. Alright, let's see if I can switch over here, give you a little different view on it. As far as smoothness on each of them, so here's the Ego 10 for smoothness. Pretty smooth. Here's the GO2. As you can see, it's probably my left hand, so it may bounce a little bit more, but hardly anything. This is actually my personal gun right here, Ego 10. I just got in, so I figured I'd make this sound comparison for you. But here we go. I don't really know what you can see. I'm just going to play around with it. Alright. The last few shots. Here's the Ego 10. Actually, I don't think I have anything in there. But, GO2 is super quiet, super smooth, can't argue with it. Here's the GO2 and the Ego 10, both really good markers. This is probably the best Ego that you can get right now. Get an Ego 10, GO2, great guns.